Hey, what's up guys? So, last week we did the video here on how to stain this concrete floor using the Valspar water-based concrete stain. And it turned out okay, I can live with it. But I'm gonna give you 5 tips that'll help you get a better result than I did. So, alright guys, here is tip number 1. So, when you clean and you prep, make sure you sweep, of course, and you prep and everything, but make sure you vacuum underneath baseboards if you're doing this. We did a really good sweep, but I didn't vacuum, and I noticed when I went to roll or brush the edges, sometimes a little dirt wanted to come out, so I had to be really careful when I was cutting around the edges. So make sure you vacuum underneath your baseboards. Tip number 4, make sure you work your way from the farthest back part of the room towards your exit, wherever you're going to exit. So make sure you don't leave yourself locked out of your exit. You don't want to step on this once you've already rolled it. Alright, and step number 3, this was kind of a biggie for me. If you're using a roller, make sure that you get a good roller and you try not to do heavy coats and leave lines. I did my floor here and I love the color and I love the gloss, but I used the roller and a mop thing that left lines, and I didn't really notice until it dried, and I wish I would have just not left as many lines. And so just make sure when you're rolling that you're leaving smooth and that you're not doing heavy coats. You're not leaving any areas with thick lines, because you'll be able to see them when it dries. All right, and tip number 2, make sure you mask off trim and doors and anything you don't want to get stained. This stuff is kind of watery. It's kind of like wood stain, where it's really watery and it just sprinkles everywhere without you even trying. So make sure that you mask off anything that you don't want to get dirty, and that you have a little rag with you to clean anything that you might get dirty. All right, and tip number 1 is, if you want to get some cool texturing, use a little pump sprayer, the kind you use to spray like bug stuff in the garden. Put a little picture up of it right here. But use that, it'll give you this cool looking texture. So yeah, use a little sprayer. I think it'll turn out better. That's what I wish I would have done here, but I didn't. But I will do that on the next time. And I like this stuff. I like messing with it. I got a better result this time than I did last time I used it, which was in the flip house. I really like this color, Ember. It's like a grayish, bluish color. And I did 3 coats on this one. Last time I only did 2 coats. This one I did 3 coats, and you can really see the color, but you can still see the texture of the concrete underneath. So I like that. But yeah guys, those are my 5 tips when working with this Valspar concrete stain. And hope that helps guys, and try it out, man. This is a cool little thing. It's not too expensive to where you can experiment, see different colors, different things that you want to try. Originally I was going to put just vinyl plank in this room. It was going to be like almost $500 just for the plank, and I figured, what the heck, I might as well try this, see what it looks like, and I'm fine with it. It looks nice, not any worse than vinyl plank, cheap vinyl plank. And I spent under $150 for this whole room, and I still have enough left for that closet back there if I want to go and do it. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and hit that like and that subscribe down below if you want to see more. Alright guys, and quick, I'm going to give you one freebie tip, last one. This is tip number 0. If you need energy to get these jobs done, if you're working around the house, you need some energy, and you want to build your immune system at the same time, you want to help your immune system, check out Built Boost. This is the Built Boost Immunity Plus Energy. We drink these around the house all the time. These have a bunch of vitamins, including vitamin A, B, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, manganese. So get your immune system up, and it hydrates. And this is the Built Boost Immune Plus Energy. So this has 100 milligrams of caffeine. If you need that little extra kick of energy in the afternoons. This stuff is great. Goes in your water, little packets that you pour in your water bottles. If you don't like to drink water, these are great. And then they also have the regular, just the immune boost. These are just vitamins, minerals to put in your water to keep that immune system up if you don't want the caffeine, guys. But these are great. I drink these all the time and they keep me hydrated. Right now it's like 100 degrees outside. Check them out, guys. Go to BuiltBar.com and use that code BB20 for 10% off of your complete order, guys. This is great stuff. Yeah, and they are 0 calories, full of vitamins, minerals, and energy if you need it.